Hi, today we're gonna make an avocado sauce. This in Venezuela is the basic sauce for every grill, for empanadas, for arepas, for every topping we use this green sauce. It's also kind of the green sauce from the Mexican kitchen, but it's a little bit different because they do it with green tomatoes, which is called tomatillos verdes. But we're gonna do it with avocado, coriander, lime juice, garlic, onion, spring onion, oil, salt, pepper, and I got a little bit of vinegar. Just it depends on how sour are our limes. So let's make it. It's quite easy. You're gonna put on the blender, and then we're gonna check consistency. Yeah, it's a sauce, so it has to be liquid. Yeah, so follow me and let's check it out. So, as I said, it's gonna be easy. We're gonna get a blender. This size is enough for me. We're gonna get an onion. I'm gonna cut it just to make it easier for the blender. It depends on the blender you have. I'm not using a Thermomix, which is gonna be too big. I don't need that much sauce, but of course depend on your what you got and also the size you need. I'd peel off the garlic. And I remove the core of it, yeah? It's like with the plants gonna grow. I just remove it just like this with a... I got 2 garlic cloves. And so, let's add a little bit of fresh coriander. I'm just gonna, just with a hand. And this is always tricky in Germany, avocados. Not always are okay. Sometimes I got to buy 4 to get 1 or 2 goods, but it's a little bit damaged on the side, but it works. We just remove this, and you can help yourself very easy with a spoon. Just I remove the damaged part of it. Just not that much, a bit more. With a spoon you help to remove the avocado, everything, yeah. Just like that. This is gonna, you can also make a mayonnaise with it if you get an egg. There is a recipe on the channel for a mayonnaise with avocado, which is very creamy, very nice as well, but with a boiled egg. So this is a little bit more damaged here and here. So the same procedure. We remove everything, and we are gonna remove the seed. Yeah. Yes. This one. You see, this one is just kind of the half left, yeah? But it doesn't really matter because we got enough. And I got a third one just in case, yeah? For this one, I'm gonna use a little bit of spring onion. I didn't... that's why I didn't add too much onion, just a quarter. But I knew I had this spring onion. This will help with the green color and also with a smooth taste from onion. Yeah. You wanna push it a little bit, yeah, because we need to finish it with more coriander. Yeah. I will add it all, but afterwards. So let's start with 3 limes, the use of 3 limes, and after that we are gonna correct it. Yeah, let's also add pepper. You can also add spiciness, but I'm not using it because my daughter might eat or might taste it, or some people, I guess, they are not eating any spices. So I'm gonna add, so this is just around 10 grams of salt at the beginning. I'm gonna add a little bit more because it's quite enough. Now I'm gonna squeeze the lemons, also limes. I didn't use them all, and I also will not add any vinegar at the moment. Just after I blend it and taste it, if it doesn't need any more sourness. And I will finish up with, I got extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit here. This will be our main liquid, so has to be a little bit. Yeah. So, and now we just might close it. And let's blend it. So look the consistency. It does need a little bit more. It will be good for grilling, but I'm gonna use this squeeze. But I'm gonna use this to squeeze it. So I need more liquid. So let's make it. Here we are. Of course, the consistency depends up to you, what you like to have, more liquid, more thickness. So it's a little bit up to you, but it will taste nice anyway. Now I'm gonna just a little bit of deco. This is a little bit of coriander leaf and a little bit extra virgin olive oil, just slightly touch. Now I'm gonna just place this on these containers, and we will be ready to go. Look, this is our final sauce. Look, sure you will like it. You will love this sauce when you're doing the grill, chicken, meat, anything. Also for topping some arepas or empanadas. So I hope you like it. Take care.